good. Relax. There you go. Yeah. You're good. Yeah. Relax. Yeah. See, the left side was not as loud and it moved more. Do you understand? Because the distance the left side is from where it's supposed to be is less than the right. Relax there. There you go. Yeah. Very nice. Your neck actually tilts to the right easily now.
It's almost like I can breathe better.
Bring the spine into balance. Must bring balance to the force. Right? You have to bring balance to the spine. Outside for me. Good. Here we go. Here we go. Deep breath in. Exhale. All right, good. Face out for me. Good.
When did I get this messed up?
Millimeter by millimeter. Breathe. Good, 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 good.